as head of BD, there's been a number of things that have happened over the last few months that I thought were worth mentioning. There's been a return to the awards circuit. British Conveyancing Awards happened the other day, and Modern Law Awards are happening anytime now. It's a timely opportunity to recognise the hard work and innovation that's taken place across the whole sector over the last year. And I thought it was worth sharing a couple of tips regarding awards. First thing is, if you're going to go for an award, go for a credible award, as those two are clearly. But there are certain awards that are clearly just for sale, and those ones won't help you at all, and can look somewhat desperate. So if you're going to go for an award and submit for an award, go for one that's got credibility within the market. And speaking as someone who's done the judging on the awards and a judge, for example, on the British Conveyancing Awards, one fundamental point to remember is, like returning to the classroom really, is answer the question. All too often, some really good submissions are there with lots and lots of detail, but they don't actually answer the question against which the judge is then going to create a score. And in that situation, of course, the judge is struggling. We have to kind of go, well, it's a great submission in every other respect, but for that particular segment, they get a low mark, and that could be the difference between winning and not winning at all. Winning a quality award is great for your brand, and it can sit very nicely alongside the other essential work that you need to focus on. These days, it's really important to consider your happy customer. That as a law firm, your customers will be providing ratings more frequently than ever, star ratings, Trustpilot rating, Google ratings, and a good award and a good rating from your clients can work really, really well to set you apart from your competition. Finally, the other return this month has been the face-to-face networking coming back. Obviously, there are still risks around COVID, and you've still got to be careful and thoughtful about it. But it has been good to get back face-to-face, and I've just come back from some really good meetings in London, which have generated significant opportunities. The biggest challenge now, I think, in returning to face-to-face meetings is actually to find the right balance between, perhaps being a bit more choosy about the ones that you go after, and that if you're going to go and have a face-to-face meeting, there should be a reason for it. Certainly, I think it needs to be a balance between those and the online ones, because otherwise you spend all your time stuck on trains or on roads and not actually doing the activities that you've agreed to do as a result of the really good meetings. So that's all from me, and thanks for listening.